Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Julian Madika. Today I'm going to talk about software, operating system, and malicious programs. I will begin with a very important topic in the world of computers, which is software and operating system. Starting from the definition, examples, and their difference. As we know, computers do not just consist of hardware. To function, they also need software. Without software and operating system, computers will not be able to perform any task, just like a body without a soul. Application software is designed to help user complete specific tasks, like typing, calculating, and so on. Unlike the operating system, application software cannot run by itself. It depends on the OS as its base. Its main purpose is to make our work easier and boost productivity, whether at work, in school, or daily life. Here are some common examples of application software. First, we have Microsoft Office, like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, or Office and school tasks. Then there's Adobe Photoshop for editing image and Google Chrome for browsing the internet. Games also count as application software, as well as AutoCAD, which is widely used for engineering and architecture design. An operating system, or OS, is software that acts as a bridge between users and the computer's components, both hardware and software. It works like a translator. When you click play on an audio app, the OS translates that command and pastes it to the hardware so it can produce the sound. Okay, this is examples of operating system. First, Windows, one of the most popular operating systems used on computer desktop and laptop. macOS, an operating system and developed by Apple for Mac computers. Linux, an open source operating system widely used on servers by developers. Android is an operating system we often use, or maybe the one you are using right now to watch this video. iOS, a mobile operating system created and developed by Apple. Let's now look at the key difference between application software and operating system. In terms of function, application software is used for specific tasks like writing, design, or browsing. The OS, meanwhile, manages the hardware and supports all other software. In terms of dependency, application software needs an OS to function, but an OS can still run even without additional apps. And for availability, an OS usually comes pre-installed on a device, while application software is installed later based on user needs. Okay, now we move on to our next topic, malicious programs. Malicious programs are more commonly known as malware or malicious software. Is a type of software designed to damage, access, or take control of our computer system or other device without the owner's permission or owner's knowledge. And here's some common types of malware. First, viruses. They attach to files or programs and can spread and damage data. Then there is worms, similar to viruses, but they can spread on their own through networks. And Trojan horses look like normal apps but hide dangerous code inside. And spyware, which secretly monitors your activity and steals personal data. And adware shows unwanted ads and may collect personal data without you knowing. Ransomware logs or encrypts your data and demands payment to unlock it. And there are also rootkits, botnets, and many more types of malware out there. Okay, this is if your device starts acting strange, it could be a sign of malware. For example, your system might be slowed down without reason, or you keep seeing weird pop-up ads even when you are not browsing. You might even see unfamiliar apps that install themselves. And then the system may crash or show errors, and your internet connection might slow down or suspicious activity. These are all signs too. And this is how to deal with malware on your computer or laptop. First, download a trusted antivirus. Scan your computer and let it remove the malware. If you notice any unfamiliar apps, delete them right away. Also, keep your operating system up to date to improve its security. And there are few more ways to handle malware, like change password, backup important data if not yet affected by ransomware. Check for unusual activity. To avoid malware, here are some prevention tips we can follow. Don't click on unknown links or download files carelessly. Use trusted antivirus or anti-malware software. Regularly update your system and application. Avoid using pirated software. Back up your data regularly, and then use strong password and enable two-factor authentication. Okay, maybe that's all I can say about this material. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.